Here we have a 2019 Mercedes AMG A35 Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels. You'll also find the silver brake calipers behind. We've got the grey exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front splitter, Pan-America front grille with the big Mercedes badge in the centre, AMG badging on the right. Round to the passenger side you'll find the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We also have the Turbo 4MATIC badging as well. Black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. You'll also find the panoramic glass sunroof. You can see it's currently open. It can also get put onto a tilt. We then have the rear spoiler, which sits nice and aggressively just there. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Quad tip exhaust and rear diffuser, again looking nice and aggressive. There's a look at that rear end. And then back around to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We do also have over £4,000 worth of optional extras on this vehicle. Just to mention a couple, we do have the AMG night package. Taking a look at the interior, we'll have a look inside of the back first. You can see half leather seats, red stitching, red seat belts, fixed ISO points as well, electric windows on the doors. Another package we have is the AMG styling package. There's a look at the roof from the inside. You see we do have half leather seats again at the front with the red stitching and red seat belts. Front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions and they're also heated. Electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the automatic lights down here, multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside and you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. We do also have the premium Burmester speakers in this vehicle. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. Just turn the volume down. We do have the phone connectivity buttons there on the left. We also have paddle shifters, of course, either side of the steering wheel. Cruise control speedometer on the right. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. Got plenty of different features and displays on here which you can play around with. You can also change the design. So if you go over to here, change it to sport, you'll find it will change the display. We then have the main infotainment screen in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav, but again plenty of features on here. You would have seen all on the photos. You can go through them quickly. You've got the touchpad and also the shortcut buttons along the sides. So if you click onto radio stations appear. We also have the media options, Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Onto the main menu, we can scroll through all the other features just like so. Go on to comfort, you'll find the seat kinetics. We also have the ambient lighting, of course, plenty of different colour options and combinations to go through. You can see it's inside of the vents and also runs across the dashboard and across the doors. Looks really nice again at night time. Over to the apps, go on to smartphone, you'll find Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down from there, you'll find the dual zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning as well. We also have the gloss black trim down here. We also then have the switch for the different drive modes. You can see we have Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, Individual and also the slippery drive mode as well. Putting the vehicle into reverse now, you'll find the reverse camera appear on the screen along with the parking sensors on the right. Back into park, and that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.